Yo, what's good, YouTube? So we out here chilling. We about to start the M2 music series. Before I start that, I want y'all to see the whip, okay? Look at Black Eagle looking all clean and shit, you know? It's dusty as hell though. It was washed the other day, but shit, I'm out here in Arizona and it gets dusty. Y'all see the plates? You see the plates? Throw an S on that thing. That's where I'm at on all social media. Rituals, RICHUALS. That's on Instagram, that's on Twitter, and that's on YouTube. That's where you're gonna find this video, because that's where you watching it at right now. And what we gonna do, I'm gonna give y'all what I'm riding to. I'm creating a new playlist, and what I'm doing is I'm finding new artists. Well, maybe they not new, they new to the world, but you know, they probably been doing this for a while. But new artists that I found, music that I like. And first off, the first artist that's gonna be on my M2 playlist is gonna be Mr.Organik. I don't know if y'all know him or not, but he's a guy out of Minnesota and he's killing the game musically and on YouTube. But I came across him on YouTube. I've been listening to some of his music. It's on Apple, it's on Tidal, it's all over the place. If you want to look for his music, it's Mr.Organik, and that's with a K. He got some bangers. And today, I'm gonna play one of them. And it's gonna be the first track that's gonna be on my M2 playlist when I'm driving around the city of Phoenix. Cause this shit go hard. So, let me buckle up real quick and let's do the damn thing. And when I tell you this shit go hard, this shit go hard. Let me cue up this music real quick. Here we go. The first track is One of Them Ones.
Mr.Organik. I'm just one of them ones, nigga. Not the first nigga ever to rap.
You hear that shit?
Pure.
You hear that shit?
I'm just one of them ones. 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 Nigga, number 40 on the gun. Number 40 on the gun. Number 40 on the gun. I'm just one of them boys. Gargoyle, one of them boys. Young Brent Franklin. I'm the one to bring the light. I got the keys and the kite. Death row shook night. I ain't the one to come to fight. You got a fist, I got a knife. You got a knife, I got a gun. I'ma show you how it's done. All my jury drip alkaline. I'll never have to stand in the line. I'm one of the ones I ain't never dime. Like the white brothers who invented flying. I'm not the first nigga to throw a gang sign. Dog all bitches, I'm a K9. I'ma have to fall when it's game time. No fear in my heart, I'ma die for mine. Hold up. Let me set the record straight. I made a fuck nigga great. I'm the goat, you a snake. I fuck bitches, you can't. Fuck nigga get raped. I'm love, you ain't. I'm organic, you fake. 3 of them, I'm the gone. Nigga, 3 of them, I'm the gone. I'm just one of them ones. 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 Nigga, number 40 on the car. Organic lifestyle. Number 40 on the brand. Nigga, I'm just one of them ones. I'm just one of them ones. I'm just one of them ones. Young Abraham Lincoln. I'm here to free my people. I ain't leave you single. Make sure your city's grown. Hold up. She playing my balls like ping pong. Got me cake like ding dongs. I'm the old man you need no.
shit wasn't hitting. Damn! That's going on the first damn track of the playlist. That's Mr.Organik. That song was called 1ofthem1s. As you can tell, that's 1ofthem1s. My M2 is 1ofthem1s. And damn it, I'm 1ofthem1s. And that was 3 of them. Shit. That boy killed that. I'm about to play that shit back. Definitely have to play that shit back. Add that to my playlist and put that thing on repeat. Like I said, that's Mr.Organik. You can catch him on YouTube. I'm gonna link in the description below. Links to his music on Apple Music. It's on Tidal. Music all over the place. But that was one of the songs I came across today. I think this one's new. So I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, oh well, whatever. It's new to me, it's new to you. Go download it, go stream it, go buy it on all platforms. Go support the homie. The music's great. I'm bumping it, you should bump it. And that's all that matters. That's it. You know what I'm saying? The music's fire. The song's fire. Go check it out. Go buy it, go download it, go stream it. Once again, welcome to the M2 playlist. That's the first track.